Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to hook up a purge nitrous solenoid on your truck. That's to get all the air out the system when you getting ready to spray nitrous while you're at the track. As you can see in the thumbnail, it shows you how you purge the lines, but I'm gonna go over, guys, on how to wire it up and how to hook it up, the basics of how to hook up a purge kit. Let's get started. I kind of somewhat already got this one hooked up, but we're just going to go over the basics. Okay, here's your nitrous solenoid, and your nitrous comes in right here on this line. And what it does is, this solenoid here will actually open up before this solenoid opens up. This switch right here will open this solenoid up, and then I got a switch on the inside, which I'll show y'all later. I'll mash it and it'll open this solenoid up, which will let the nitrous come through these bleed lines right here that's made out of brake line. And what you do is you put your T in here, and then you hook up. You can either have one single bleed line or you can have two. I always like to have two on mine just for looks, pretty much, and have it spraying in like a Y. So I have one coming in here and coming out through the louver, spraying right kind of in front of the windshield. Then I got another one that's coming over here and spraying in front of the windshield on this side, if y'all can see it. And all it is, it's made out of like 5/16 brake line, and you go uptown and you buy your brake lines and you bend them the way you want to, and you just drill your holes and run them through your louvers. But this is your purge solenoid, and this is your nitrous solenoid. This solenoid here only open when this switch here is activated and it goes wide open throttle. But you use this solenoid here, this is your purge solenoid, and it'll open up when I mash the button on the inside. But what you want to do is you got two wires on it. One of them may be a ground, and then the other one's going to be a hot wire. So you want to ground this one to this side, and then take your wire and run around. I got this wire here running around through the harness and coming around, and we'll go through here. And what I've done, guys, is I run the wires under the dash and come up through the dash, and I got the switch right here, and you just mash the switch like that, and then it'll say psh, psh. And what that does is that gets the air out the system, so that when you go to spray the motor, it'll have all the nitrous right there at the carburetor as soon as you go wide open throttle. But if you don't put a purge system on it, you can purge it through the motor. Some guys do that, and then some guys purge it through the lines. So whichever you prefer. But basically, guys, that's on how to wire up a purge system. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And guys, I'll see y'all on the next upload. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.